Alright. Puzzle time. Check. We see a check. So let's try. Oh! Oh wait, it's just this. Man, it's so stupid. Stupid! Alright, here we go. So you see, sometimes I'm also quite an impatient person. I just don't think it all the way through. We are looking for checks. And if we aren't, we are looking for attacks. So I'm seeing this. The queen has to take because there is no other escape. So we trap the queen. So again, I was first playing and then really thinking it through. I had to see that the queen had no escape square. Okay, so let's try to again think. So this bishop is blocking off all the possible escape squares. If I get that queen up in there, I think there's no way to defend, because if the queen comes in here, we just take and the king can't escape. So always try to look how to take away those escape squares of the king. Ah! See, check. And then it's an X-ray. I mean, I think that's a no-brainer, right? Okay, so if we take the bishop, the king has to take, and then we win the queen as well. There we go. Okay, so the bishop is taking away that square. Check. Rook has to take. Do we win a rook that way? Is that the thing? Oh wait, no! So here we have a concept of this pawn is pinned to the king. So if we give check, this bishop takes away that square. Pawn can't take because of the queen. And we get that nice checkmate. So I'm thinking this. Just take the rook. Yeah, there you go. And now just push this pawn. That must be it, right? Because how do you stop it? Yeah, there you go. And then you make a queen. Check. I see you check. See you check, give a check. Check. But is there a better check? Is there a better check? No, I don't think so.
You're so dumb.
Still get 5 points, but that's not the answer. Oh wait, blindsided again, checkmate. That was the correct answer. Always look for a better check. Checkmate is the best one. Alright, so this one is for free. Well, we've got this first to worry about. So I'm thinking a combo. So this is a combo where we win a piece, we take this one, has to take, we take, and then win a bishop. Let's see if we're right. And we win a bishop. Yeah. If I move this pawn forward, it's check. King has to go there. And then I think this is gonna be mate. Alright, it doesn't even let us do it, but the king would move here. Then we would slide the rook over there. Queen had to take. We take. King can't escape anywhere. Alright. So if we take, queen comes sliding in. We've got the rook. The rook can give a check. And as we can see, the queen is blocking off the escape squares of the king. So I'm thinking it's this one. We are looking for checks. So this is a check. This is a check. Doesn't really work, does it? So there is no check that works. So let's see if we can capture anything. No. Well, we can capture pawns, but that would only lead to us losing a piece. So then we move in to see if we can attack something. So this is a pattern you should really stick into your mind. When two pieces are on the same color square, and you can attack them with a pawn, so leading into a fork, because this pawn has got backup. Because if it was just a pawn, the bishop could take, but now can't, and bam, there you you go, and you win a piece. So look for those pawn forks. Okay, we're in some trouble here, but check. Where can the king go? Nowhere. So even if we're in a real bad situation, always look for those checks. You never know, you might get out of a real sticky situation. So we're in trouble here, or are we? I don't think we are. If we take, then bam, then we move up. Oh wait, I'm thinking something with promoting these pawns. I think you first gotta take the rook. But now it's the question, which one of these two pawns you have to push first. So if we go here, so let's calculate. We push, the rook comes in, we push, and then, yeah, so, and there we go. And then we have pushed the other one, and then we got a queen. The rook can't stop both of them. Okay. I see a check. That wins a rook. It's gotta be it, right? Or wait a second. The queen can block. So what if we take? Bam. Oh! No, I see. Then we move the bishop. We have again this stupid king defending. We just want to get rid of it. There you go. That was a bit of a thinker. Look for the right answer. Check. Yeah, I think it's a sacrifice of the queen, so we take. The king takes. You're thinking, oh shit. But then we go flying in with our rook. Where can the king go? Can't go here. Can't go here. Because of the bishop. So let's see if I'm right. And bam. And yeah, I was right. I was right. We're checked. That's bad. So we've got two options. We got this square and we got this square. Which one should we pick? Which one should we pick? Okay, let's think. If we go here, here? Ah! Here. And then take... What? Oh my god. I'm playing way too fast. Okay, no, of course not. Oh, now comes the check. Check. Yeah, okay. Totally botched that one. I'm sorry. Check. King's got no escape. That's easy. Just see a king that's got no escape. I would check. Alright. Check. No. Check. Yeah. Where's king gonna go? Check. King's got no escape. Check that. A check that works because the king's got no escape. Checkmate. So this check. This is a check. I'm thinking this one. Check. And then checkmate. You see how I did that? Don't want to be too cocky after those mistakes, but so I check him. I know he's got to go here. I check him again, and then his only escape square is here. And then if I take that away, so the bishop covers here, pawn covers here, and the king is just walked into mate. All right. So check. I see a check, and it's a fork. I think that must have been it, but it's not. Okay, great. Check. Looks then the knight takes. Oh wait, it's even better. You can win a queen. So take, and then if the queen comes in, you give a check. Yeah, then you give a check, and then you can win the queen with your queen. Okay, so I missed that one. I see a check. See a check, give a check. Okay, so let's see. If we give a check here, king can escape here. What if I check him here? That's checkmate, no? Yeah. Checkmate, obvious. Checkmate, okay. Check. I feel that must be it. Check, and then check, and then check. Yeah. So I saw check, and I knew that the king would have to go here, and then supported by my rook, I could eventually deliver mates. So that's how I figured that one out. This I see, but then I just... Well, this happens. So... Okay, check. That I see. I think that must be it, right? And then you eventually win a rook. Another X-ray. Two pieces. Looking at that one... Okay, so this one is very easy. We see 2 pieces staring at the same square. So, must be it. And look out, queen defense, so we gotta deliver check here. Then, checkmate. Alright. So, again, 3 mistakes. Ugh, it's only gonna get worse.